In this video, we are going to have a very brief introduction of biology and its divisions. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios and logos. This is evident from the picture. Bios means life and logos means thoughts or reasoning. So if we sign these words together, we'll come to know that biology is the scientific study of life. In biology, we study that how man has thought about living things. The biology is further divided into three divisions: zoology, botany, and microbiology. The first division of the biology is known as zoology. This division of biology has to deal with the study of animals. The second division of biology is called botany. This division of biology deals with the study of plants. The third division of biology is microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria. In the coming video, we will see that these divisions are further divided into many branches.